So at last, BITS Pilani has Rahul Yadav here on the dais. I'll shoot out the question straight away.
Yeah.
So when I was speaking to him just a while back, I'm trying hard to do what you were saying and not ask any of the routine questions. Is the mic not working?
Put closer.
Is this better?
Yeah.
Yeah. So to start with, for you, was entrepreneurship a conscious decision? Did you plan for it, or did it just happen?
So I always like, the definition of founder, entrepreneur and all, I don't believe in all these, we as a team always believed in solving the problem and that's it. So we saw the problem in college and the outside and we just tried to fix it. I don't know what the entrepreneur means, yeah.
So when you were in school before you landed up at IIT, did you ever think that one day you would be, here as a great founder of a great company?
अभी कुछ बनाया ही नहीं है यार. So people have built like multi-$100 billion companies, created big impact. We have done nothing. I mean.
Long way to go.
Yeah.
When you made housing.com, it was almost there, and then you were about to finish IIT, but you decided to quit. So did you face some dilemma in taking the decision?
No, not at all. So what happened? I went to Israel in December. It was 1 month holiday, but I spent like almost like 2 months. 45 days, 2 months. And when I came, I had to drop few courses, and कभी अंत आया नहीं उसे करने का. And then 4th year happened, and at that time it was really hot in IIT. AC भी allow नहीं करते थे. तो मैंने कहा निकलो यहाँ से यार.
So time is less. Listen to him more. Clap a lot, of course, but quickly. So when you left, IIT, one big question should be, what did your parents say? Or they said, it's okay, AC में जाके बैठ जाओ, आराम करो, काम करो, but not IIT, चलो कोई बात नहीं.
So up to last 2 months back, they were not aware of that I've dropped out. बोला हो गया वो ठीक है. And I think they still don't know. Yeah, because this dropout thing came in couple of news, not in all article, and I think they missed those articles. So.
I think they're wonderful parents, actually. You're lucky. What does success mean to you today?
It's a philosophical question. I mean.
Yes. So how would you you had money.
So earlier,
fame.
So earlier I thought that success means changing the world, making big impact and all, and maybe. But I met people who have created big impact and all, and I saw them that really not happy. So I'm in dilemma, whether you should work for yourself or the external world. So that's dilemma going on right now.
Okay. So I promise not to ask too much on housing, but taking off from there, the day you knew today I don't have to go back to the same office, and you woke up in the morning, what did you feel? What did you do?
So I stretched myself for 3 years. I mean, a lot. I called home only 10 times in 3 years, and always time. So I had no other activity, just work. At apartment also we used to have work. So I stretched because of the physical body also, and,
yes.
and the mental fatigue was there. So when I came out of the board meeting, bed mein ghusa, and after 30 days, after 30 days I came out.
Okay, and so when you came to like, now you were relaxed, now you were clear in your head. So, what did you think? Dikha dunga, something like that.
What?
I can do much better. Dikha dunga. I mean, you got rid of me, but that's like, it's your loss, not mine. I can show it to you, right?
Yeah.
You must have had felt like I can do something much, much bigger.
Yeah, so it's easy for me, yeah.
Yes. It's easy for him.
Uh, but there are some like bigger issues on a country level. Like we are a population of 1.3 billion, and we have like just 3-4 cities, and they are already overburdened, and infrastructure is not there. So we needed like actually 100 city. Modi promised not a single city is coming, and the current cities like Mumbai and all are like Bangalore not ready. So that's the biggest challenge in front of the country. And then education, then political system. We have great people, like if you see Microsoft CEO, Google CEO, like
Yes. From India.
But the system is bad here, and it's really bad. Like so, and I mean system can create big impact. So
Really.
so I'm gonna like this time trying to work with system. Let's see.
Yes. So I think I'll fit in this particular question right here. In the Indian startup ecosystem, what do you think are the key factors that can take us, onto exponential trajectory?
I would say culture is very important. If you look at world's 90% workforce is unhappy at their like in their companies and all. They're not putting efforts, and that's why the companies are not able to rock. So you need to ensure that whatever the team you have, like they are like really motivated, working really hard. So I think the culture is the most important thing, and then you should have like large vision. I see people doing like small apps. I think there are much larger issues in front of the country.
Right.
Like I said, the education is really bad. The food is like we used to eat. I mean, it was okay till last 20 years, but now we sit in front of computer and we don't do physical work, and so the food is no longer valid. And so I mean, these are like major issues. So we should.
True. I think we, all of us are trying to be more health conscious. We read a lot about what to eat and what to do, but actually we are not doing it better. And in fact, the more we are looking at it, the more unhealthy we are becoming compared to,
So basically, country needs cities and large infrastructure, and we should, I think, focus over there.
So you're looking more at core areas.
No, it's very broad. So I'm not saying it's real estate.
No.
Yeah.
I meant like infrastructural or key social aid sectors and so on. Are you in talks with government in some
We will
forums?
be working with government, yeah, strongly. I feel the way country's economy is growing and all, our government, if you look at compared to the US government, is not at all there, and they need help. I mean, like, so, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks such a lot. One question on funding. As the startups, there are so many startups coming up and they're happening, and we have a lot of investors, VCs, and et cetera. So at what stage do you think funding becomes important to take?
So funding is important because sometimes you are hiring talent, and they won't come for less, and you need like better facilities, and also so capital is important from day one. I mean, like, so, and you can build without capital also if you can find right team who's ready to hustle and work hard. So
Yeah, since you're mentioning team again and again, and I had this one question that you had a team of 12 people, and whereas when I see the startups, they
so
start
not
with
dozen
3
people. So why I don't
How
believe in the
many?
concept of co-founder, because see, we started 12, one guy left after 15 days. So and then other guy left after 3 months, and also so and after that we hired like hundreds of people, and they have like added lots of value and made the company possible. So there are multiple stages of company that of foundation stages. So I don't believe in the concept of founders and all. So it's people sometimes they come later after 1 year and they
Yeah.
make much bigger impact than
Yes. But the biggest challenge is, whether they're founders or their employees joining you in the early stages, how do you communicate and make it work? Because that's the biggest, friction amongst people, I think, is a very, very big thing, closing many startups before they take off. So how come you guys made it, what was that way of communicating and so
So
on?
you should
in the
have
beginning?
like friendship should be there. I mean, it should be like much stronger than the business itself. So if that is there, I don't think so. If the friendship is weak, so always I would suggest always start with friends. Your first venture at least always start with friends. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Shall we just take a few questions from the audience?
Yeah, sure.
Anyone dying to ask something? And don't focus on housing.com because he said is small and it's already over. So is it real?
वो टाइम पास चल रहा है
तो वो
यार.
साइड भाग वो साइड भाग
Yeah. टाइम पास चल रहा है वो. It's not serious.
Do you think, Big Boss is going to make you look a little less serious in terms of
So I've not
achieving
seen
the
even a
important-
single episode of Big Boss. I have no idea what it is.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't do it, honestly. You guys all want him to do it, but I think you shouldn't do it. I think you're more about, being more serious and you need a government. You can make a difference, make a real difference.
I don't want to live a like heavy life,
Okay.
So I'll keep
Want to
having
take
fun.
a break from the heavy life? Anything else? Yes, you want a question? Okay. So I'll ask some serious. You said there's a lot of issues in India while doing housing, and now when you're trying to do something else. Would you like to say something about the government machinery and such systems which you might have hit, or in the real estate sector with some kind of challenges?
So if you look at from a government achievement point of view, I mean, from last 50 years, there have been like zero. If you look at other countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, they're doing good now, but Indian government is a big failure. And the problem is I don't see it getting corrected in next 20, 30 years also. So, I mean, it's going to be very, very bad, yeah.
So what would you say if I say you should join politics instead of...
No. So we will support the government. There are other methods of, supporting them, and so we will be working with more bureaucrats and less with politicians. So, yeah.
Okay. So, lots of times people have ideas, but it may not be, they may not be having the expertise to take that product forward, a technical product I'm talking about. So what do you say? Is it a good idea to get into non-domain where you're not an expert, or is it fine?
So when you have idea, you have actually full idea. I mean, it's can't be possible. I mean, business are very simple. I mean, they're not rocket science in business. I mean, business are like actually no-brainer, and I mean, very easy. I mean, 10th pass student can do. There's a reason why all the like big businessmen, sometimes they enter in like a telecom, then they enter in, let's say, banking. They don't know, but it's just a common sense at the end of the day.
So of all the things that you, when you did a business, what was the biggest, most difficult aspect, which function you found most challenging?
There aren't enough smart people.
Yes.
So.
To work with.
Yeah, so you need to invest a lot of time and all, and then you do that, then pace, slows down, and you'll be making average company. So yeah, finding talent. I mean, yeah.
And what should one do to retain the talent that you find?
Again, culture. I mean, as long as they are feeling happy at work, I mean, you can. Composition is one thing. Like, you can never retain people with composition. It's just they should feel happy, like in work environment. So culture. Yeah.
So what made you so confident to give away most of what you had when you walked out of housing.com?
So it was planned long back, actually,
Okay.
but it got matched. I mean, dates with that, so that's why people are linking. But it was
Oh.
planned, so yeah.
But, what gives you, I mean, really want to be like inside your head and see what gives you that confidence that this was nothing, I can just add some more zeros to the next company which I do.
So I again started company. I've again like raised capital, and I'm again my equity value is equally. Like again, you have 150, 200 crore. So and I'm again possibly gonna give back, and you know.
Yeah.
So it
So when
doesn't
do you
matter.
think you will start keeping some of it?
Uh, I mean, you don't need much capital. I think in life, like 3, 4, 5 million is enough. Like kabhi to, it's too early.
All right. Okay. More questions?
Hello. Sir,
Yes.
something about your next venture, the 100x.
Uh, we'll be announcing, I think, in next 2 weeks. Wait. I need like proper content, images, and you know, an article, and you know, so can't, I mean, explain it in just 2, 3 lines. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What was the motivation behind Lookup?
Okay. So I saw in India people like सब लोग टांग ही खींचते रहते हैं. If you see, there are like great people. They do mistakes, and like there was Rajat Gupta. You know, I think some in USC, and I see like many stars, let's say even like Sanjay Salman, and you know, and in real life also like it. People, if they do mistake, people look down to them, you know. I said, you know, it's wrong actually, you know, you should always look up to people. I believe there should not be any jail or something. So it came from there, that there is never discuss negative and all. I mean, it's always just look up positive, positive, positive. So it came from there, yeah.
Oh, any other, I mean, what are your hobbies that you like to do? Any sports? Movie?
So I have not played any sport. The food was one hobby, but then I started gaining weight, so I had to drop that. And
So that's why he had only one small chapati for lunch.
uh,
We know.
now, see, when you do business, I mean, like the business problem statement are like so interesting that you know, your morning to night, I mean, goes in that. So that's the life, like completely.
If there is something which you should change about your personality, what would that be?
I will have more fun.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
In terms of attitude?
वो पता नहीं.
अभी नहीं मालूम पड़ा. Who are your closest friends? You don't want to know?
Yeah. So there are 3, 4 friends from IT. Yeah.
Okay, were they part of housing or they're...
Yeah.
You're still good friends with them?
Yeah.
Okay, so are some of them likely to move with you once you go to your next venture?
And they have different profile. This one is like very hardcore and new product, so some may not, you know, won't fit in. But yeah, people who will fit in, they'll definitely come.
You would like to work with some of your old team?
This time the bar is high, more. So
Okay.
I'm gonna pick very few people, yeah, and then you know take some global talent this time. Yeah.
Yes, and I was thinking that that might be a better platform to look out. But are you going to, go specific to colleges, or are you going to look at a network of people you've come across at some other platforms?
Mix.
So how would you look at BITS?
So I had like very great experience with like BITS people. So I'm like positive, very positive on BITS. Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So we had like one guy in design and one in like new innovation technology, and both have performed really well. So they are the star at housing. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Well,
Anything else?
anything else which you want to say to us, which I forgot to ask?
I mean, solve the fundamental problems. I mean, engineers don't get kicked with money. I mean, that's true. I mean, sometimes people enter and they realize after 2-3 years, कि यार ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं and all. So always focus on solving the problem and just enjoy. I mean, have fun.